Wanted to show you how to use this Elite Career AI Hub. It's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. You just either type your stuff in or copy and paste your stuff in. If you have your job description from it could even be the future job description that you posted last week, and you could use that. Hopefully, you created your resume maybe yesterday or earlier, and you can paste that in here, but you want to make sure you scrub your resume first. I'm going to paste the job description in. I have it's a sample job description. I'm going to paste that in, and it's for Maui Memorial and a hospital aide. So let's just get the pertinent information from there and put it up in here. And let me get my sample resume, and I'll paste that in here. And then type in the name. Just put in your first name or a pseudonym. You want to make sure that you don't put any personally identifiable information in here. PII. You want to make sure that you scrub that. So I've already scrubbed this resume. Right, I just put the X's in there, so they're like placeholders, and then once I get this generated, the resume back, eventually it's gonna be an audit on this, and I can improve the resume using this app. So also you might have, maybe you have some concerns about the job description. Right? So, for example, in this job description, it has variable shift. And chemo has a fixed schedule at school. So, he might be concerned about the variable shift in the job description. And you can put any concern in this. And then when you have it done, you're ready to generate. And it analyzes a little bit, and boom. Then it post your mock job interview schedule with questions that are specific to the job position and the job description. It also generates a prompt that you'll use later on for practicing the interview with AI. You use this prompt and you can put it into Gemini Live, or you can create a Gemini gem. And it also will generate some company intel and a resume audit prompt, right? So that you can take this prompt and you copy it and you can paste it into a Gemini chat, and the AI will provide this brutally honest audit with unique elite revisions that retain proper acronyms and capitalization throughout the resume. And it's trying to align the resume to the job description and to the applicant tracking system software that most employers use. And that's part of the deal. You want to create a resume that's going to be tracked well by the application tracking system, and also is easy for the human reader to read. So once you do this, you have it, then you can come up here, you can copy your schedule into a Google Doc, and I've created a Google Doc for you in the instructions. I've also created a ledger for the assets, for the script, for the prompt, for the company intel, and for your resume prompt. So you can copy those into the Career AI app asset ledger, and you can have that information for when you need it, for when you're ready to practice and start using the Gemini Live and maybe create gems to practice with you. If you have any questions, please contact me. Thank you for your time.